My name is Vijay Bhaskara. I am the founder and managing partner of Abhijna Cyberfin LLP, which is based in Mumbai. So, as we are into consulting, I have seen many startups struggling with the infosec area. They are not able to improve their security posture. So, although they have a CISO or a security person in their place, they are not able to manage their security area very in a correct manner. So here we come and we help them in managing their CISO services. So we help them in the building their policies and procedures, doing the pen test services for them. And there are many other compliances services where we help them. So this is where our company comes in. As I said, I have seen many startups, they ignore cybersecurity, and many a times I have seen IT and cybersecurity departments are clubbed, so which is ideally not right way. I feel, based on my experience, I feel cybersecurity and IT should be a different department in every organization. The major reason is the lack of awareness where the founders are. They are more focused with their businesses. They are not worried about where the data is, how the data is being placed. This is the reason. So I feel that we should make them aware, all the founders and starters, rather than pitching them into implementing the framework or the standards. So we should not rush to them. Let them take time to understand the cybersecurity structure. So once they get aware and once they get used to it, I feel definitely they will come up to implement the cybersecurity standards and regulations. The CyberSec Expo India event, which is a great platform, and this has been, I think this is the first time it has taken place, such kind of expo happening over in India, and especially in Mumbai, where our company is placed in. So it was a great opportunity for us to showcase our services and to reach to the right audience. There are few companies, those who are struggling to get reached out to a proper consulting firm. There are many top tier firms where they're not able to reach to them directly. So this is a great platform for both the startups as well as the small and boutique consulting firms. So which will help to bridge this gap.